Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will make delicious melt in your mouth dodol. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have used 500 grams of coconut jaggery, 5 cups of freshly grated coconut. We have taken 30 full pieces of cashew nuts. After cutting them into small pieces, it came to around 1/3 cup. Half teaspoon of cardamom. We have used 3/4 cup of Goan rice flour, but you can also use any other parboiled rice flour. We have taken a 6 by 6 inch glass container, the height of which is 2.5 inch. Apply ghee all over and keep it ready. Step 2. Extracting the coconut milk. Out of the 5 cups of freshly grated coconut that we will use in this recipe, we will first start off with 2.5 cups of freshly grated coconut. Put this in a mixer grinder. Now add 1 cup of water. Grind the coconut to extract thick coconut milk. If you are having difficulty in grinding it, add a little more water. Once it is done, place a strainer on a bowl, pour the ground coconut in it and press it with a spoon to extract thick coconut milk. After extraction, we will get 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Repeat the same process with the remaining 2.5 cups of fresh coconut and 1 cup of water to get another cup of thick coconut milk. So after grinding 5 cups of coconut, you will get 2 cups of thick coconut milk. Pour it in a bowl and keep it aside. Now take the 5 cups of coconut that you have already ground and put it in a mixer grinder to extract thin coconut milk. Put 3 cups of water. And grind the coconut. Place another bowl under the strainer. Press firmly to extract the thin coconut milk. We will get 3 cups of thin coconut milk. Place it aside. Step 3. Preparing the rice mixture. Pass the rice flour through a strainer to remove grains or particles. Now place this rice flour in a bowl. Add 1 cup of thin coconut milk and mix it properly to ensure that there are no lumps. The rice mixture is ready. Step 4. Preparing the jaggery mixture. Now add all the jaggery in a bowl. Add 1 cup of thin coconut milk and stir it properly to dissolve the jaggery. You can do this with a spoon or a whisk. Once the jaggery is dissolved, add all the remaining thin coconut milk. Mix it properly.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Now place a strainer on a wide open heavy bottom pan and pass the jaggery liquid through it. Remove any impurities and discard it. Step 5. Preparing the dodol. Place the pan with jaggery solution on medium heat. Now stir the rice mixture and add it to the jaggery solution. Once the mixture starts to thicken, turn down the heat to medium-low. Add a pinch of salt. Add the cashew nuts and mix everything properly. Also remove any mixture that sticks to the sides of the pan. Now add the thick coconut milk and stir it properly. You need to stir this mixture continuously so that the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the cardamom powder and stir everything properly. Ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom or the sides of the pan. Stir continuously until the mixture starts to thicken. Try and remove whatever is stuck to the sides of the pan. Once the mixture has thickened, turn down the heat to low. You know the dodol is ready when the mixture starts to leave the sides of the pan and starts coming together. This will take around 1 hour of cooking. Once it has completely left the side, turn off the heat and immediately pour the mixture into the greased container. Use a spoon or spatula to level the mixture properly.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Bang it down softly a couple of times for the air bubbles to escape. Let it cool completely, then keep it covered overnight. The next day, pass a knife around the edges to loosen the dodol. Keep a plate on top and flip it upside down. Your dodol is ready. Cut the dodol in the size you would like. Place the cashew nuts on top of each piece of dodol. Delicious melt in your mouth dodol is ready to serve. You can keep the dodol at room temperature for 1 or 2 days. It is best to refrigerate if storing for a longer time. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you again with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.